how to add followers chat only in Twitch in your PC or laptop. So for that you need to simply open Chrome browser or any browser where your Twitch account was logged in. So here I will simply search for Twitch. After that I will simply click on Twitch. Now here I will simply click on top right corner profile pic. Once you click here, you need to simply click on creator dashboard. After that you need to simply click on stream manager on left side. Now here you will see quick actions and also plus icon, so simply click on that plus icon. After that you will see add stream maker with description. Also you will see toggle followers only chat, so you need to simply click on add. Once you add, after that click on cross. Now go to quick actions. Here you will see that heart option when you start stream, and once you click on that, your chat will be start followers only. Thanks for watching.